Okay, so this is August 15th, and my daughter just realized from that hailstorm that I have on YouTube, we have dents from the freaking hail on my car. I don't know if you can see that. I don't even know, see the dent? Dents, 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 dents. There's dents all over my freaking car, man. You can't see that. Get out of the street right now. There, there's one right there. There. There's dents all over my car. Holy Toledo Batman. There's dents on my car. Today's August 15th. I don't know when that storm hit.